Hello everyone, I am Kamini Vishwakarma from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. So today we are discussing about introduction to HTML. What is HTML? Basically HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That is the language by which you can design a static web page. So HTML Hypertext Markup language for using for creating the static web pages. In HTML, you can divide H. H is equal to hyperlink. It contains it to connect one page to another page. And text, T for text. Text is nothing, that is the data you can see over the web page. And markup language is a language to creating by using some properties like elements, some attributes, some important tags. By using, you can design a static web page. This is run on the browser. You can display the all content on the web page. Like we can take an example, you can also use the Flipkart, Amazon and other websites. So you can see there are some images, some text, some navigation bars like about, home, you can see. So in a web page there are many sections. You can see there the header section. Header section is defined the heading, the logo of the website, particular website. The navigation bar show like about, home, contact us, feedback form. So that is all over show in the navigation bar. In the index you can say what is, like we can take some example. We are designing the web page for the education field. So the header is like I write the heading is a educational website. In navigation bar we can say the about our website, courses our website, subjects our website. That is the navigation bar we can show there. In index we can show that all content what we deliver to the student. And the content section is contain the all about the particular subject data like subject definition, introduction, applications and other things. The footer section is given for that key we can share our information like our email address, our contact number. If a student have any query and any problem, so he or she will be ready for ask you some questions. Like this you can see this is the web page. So web page there are, you can see home, about, service, design, contact. That are the navigation parts, that are the navigations. So by using this navigation you can change your behavior of the page. Let's suppose we can click on the home, so we can about section, so we can know about this website, why this website is designing and all of this. You can see in our left side of this page a login page. This is a login and password. If a student creates some ID, so you can he or she can use by login. You can read any studies and any query ask. Like you can see the basic structure of the HTML. So this is the basic structure. In this we can discuss about the root element. So basically it is a tag based language. In HTML you can open all tags and also close all tags. So that is HTML is a root tag, and by this head tag, this is the metadata tag. It is a tag. It contains some information about another tag. Like you can show the picture on over your web page by the img src source, by the img या image tag. So that information also contained by the head tag. And title tag is show for the title on the browser title bar. This is for example we can click on the Flipkart website, so the Flipkart is show on the browser title bar. The main section of the web page is a body tag. It is also called a container. It contains the all things of the website like image, text, any types of video, any kind of images like JPG, png, you can see anything that is on the body text. It is all contained by the container or a body text. So that is, you can also see the definitions as a title. Title is an element that that is specified to title, that is shown on the browser's title bar or page tab. HTML is an element that is called root element, and head is a element contain meta information about some HTML pages. Body is a container tag. It defines the documents of the body, documentations of the body container for all the visible content such as headings, image, hyperlinks, tables, and etc. And some elements we can define. If you want to write some heading on your web page, so you can use the heading tag. If you want to write some paragraph on your web page, so you can use the paragraph tag. There are many tags are in HTML. Like HTML also contain a element or attributes. Element is the starting tag some contain and end some contain. Like you can see the HTML tag starting and ending. There are some basic difference. We can close the tag by using the slash. In HTML, everything from starting a tag and ending from a ending by using a closing tag. Like you can see two examples. The H1 is the opening tag and the closing H1 is you can see on the left side of the code. And main content you can write on between starting tag and ending tag. Another example we taken paragraph tag. Paragraph tag using a starting tag is a P and ending tag a slash with P, and in between both tag you can write your content. We can see another, so that is I can separate starting tag, ending tag, and element content. You can see there. Or also some tags are not compulsory to close on the HTML, like BR tag. BR is a break the line. It is used for change a line in a web page. If you want to write one line and change in other content you want to write on a second line or third line or fourth line, so you can use the BR tag for changing the line over the web page. You can see also in another example of nested HTML element. So what is nested? Nested means that contain one element to another element, that called nested element. So HTML elements can be nested. That means element can contain other element. You can see an example HTML body. The H1 is a heading tag that contain the paragraph tag. So that is the nested HTML element. I think you can understand. So we are also discuss about some HTML attributes. So what is attributes? Attributes is the additional information about some elements. Like for example, you can use the image tag. So image tag have some additional attribute like image size, image height, image width, image background color, and the borders. So that are the some additional information about some elements. We can see on the example in a hyperlink. We can use the anchor tag to connect one page to another tag. That is called hyperlink. So anchor tag is start by A and close by slash A, and href is a attribute of the anchor tag. H is a hyperlink, ref is a reference. Reference that is we given the URL for the next page. So the tag is a href, and you can see this is the URL for visit my sites. So that is one example. You can take another example. So where if we want to add some image on our web page, so you can use the image tag. In this tag, we can use the SRC attribute image source. Image source is what? That is the particular place their image is placed on the system, on our system or laptop. So img src, img is a image tag, src is its attribute, and this you can see the img girl.jpg, that is the URL of the particular image. Any other also some attributes on the image, that is like image height and image width. If you set the image height or width for image, so in the manner of height of width, you can given it. This is my first way we can design. HTML is a root, head is a metadata, title we can show the page title. We want to write anything here, and we can also use the nested HTML element. You can see H1 is a heading tag and P is a paragraph tag. So H1 is both tag are using in the HTML, so they are contained one tag to another tag, so that is called the nested element. We have to write the whole coding we can written on the body tag, because that is the container tag. It contains everything you can see over the web pages, like image tag and another anything. This is the output of this page. You can see this is we can write down title on a title tag, so you can see the image there as a title tag. Okay, there this is showing my first heading. You can see there, so we can write, so we can see, and my first paragraph we can write or we can see it on the output of the browser. Thank you.